Guys, the big washout finally came. A little too late because when there's corn up, it just messes with your eyes. Everything's moving around on you. I am moving around so slow trying to find anything. Kind of looks like one there. We got some heavy rains the past 2 days, kind of washing things out. Let's see what we got here. Oh, thank God. Finally found a point. That bag is full of flint. And I have been picking and picking and picking, but we got one finally. Sweet looking point too. I don't drop it and break it. It's complete. Little notch on the side. Great find. Complete point all the way there. So keep working it and see what else we can find out here. Nice find in upstate New York. About 2 inches long. Kind of has the looks of a Brewerton side notch. Cleaned up and put it in the video what we've got here.